Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your profile picture on Twitter, or now called X. So in order to do this, all you need to do is open the app and then go to the top left corner of your screen at your profile picture or just a default picture you already have. Once you've done that, head over into profile like this and then click on edit profile. Once you've done that, you can click on your profile picture, and basically what you can do right here is just set up a new profile picture. Just click on any picture you want to set as your profile, and then you can basically select which part of the picture you want to set as your profile picture, just like this. And then click at the top right corner, click on apply. You can add some filters, you can crop it, you can add a sticker. And once you've done that, click on done, and then click on save. And basically once you've done that, you're good to go. And then you want to either click on post and it will make a new post saying that you got a new profile picture, or you can click on not now. But yeah, that's basically all you need to do in order to change your profile picture on Twitter. If you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.